Hello, this is Beanie here. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how high the WTI, which is the crude oil, how high it can go. We know that crude oil has been upped because of the US and Iran war. But before this, I just want to talk about from chart point of view that we saw that up moved, and that was around $60 to $65. And how did we do that? And then how high that oil might go to from our point of view. This is the chart here. There was a bullish signal here, so this was the up bull signal. What it said here is that price went through a series of consolidation, and finally it moved out of this consolidation on this particular signal here. And that happens when crude oil was in a range of about $62. If I were to put in the moving average, this is the moving average ribbon, then you can see that there was a flip, and the flip happened somewhere where Ted gave the signal here. Okay, so that was a flip, and it went up, and then it went supported by the set of moving averages. Okay, so this is a moving average ribbon that works very well with TATs, and you can just put in, like, go to TradingView and search for moving average ribbon. Now, next question is that now it is up, then how high it can go. I think that it's important to have a look into the weekly chart. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly chart here. So this weekly chart shows that there is this extended consolidation here for this period of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the start of this consolidation. That means it went up, it came down, so that was this consolidation, to draw and project a possible price. So I start at the bottom here to reach that bottom and then project upwards to the highest point. That means that if I were to assume that oil is the trove in this range here, then the highest that it can go until now, and I think the market has already shown that price, it's about 120. And this is also predicted by TAT, where our system predict that there is likely going to be a major resistance at 122. And today for oil, WTI went up higher, reached a high of near to 120 before losing steam to trade around 105. So in other words, watch out for this 122 level. If price should continue to break higher above, which is a critical level at this point of time, then there's a higher chance for oil to move higher. Otherwise, it should stay supported here. So next question, what if it moved higher? Then yes, we can sort of predict the depth of this distance here. So this is depth of this distance, and then to move it higher to the breakout point, that's somewhere around here, and to give a price. And if we assume that price is going to move along the depth of this equidistance channel, then the potential projected price of oil is likely to be in the region of $180. I hope that this is not coming true. I mean that it will be a huge problem if oil is to reach 180. Alright, so that's the very short video covering oil, of how TAT entered into oil, and then the predicted resistance of oil at this moment. And I hope that you liked the video. Alright, see you in my next video. Thank you very much.